Good morning, friends. This is a series of budget amendments. Sorry for a bit of delay in providing these updates. Between the lines and a fewer finer points, there are two or three more which I would like to share. One is the return updation or filing a belated return within 2 years of the relevant assessment year. That is filing updated returns, or if you have missed to file a return and have taxable income, you can do so with a revised return. In my earlier video, it was stated, or I said, that the budget had made an amendment of paying additional tax of 25 to 50% depending on the delay. So yesterday's CBDT has clarified that if you are filing an updated return, it can be done only once. Second is, if the delay is within 1 year of the relevant assessment year, then the additional tax will be 25%, and if it is more than 1 year and up to 2 years, then the additional tax will be 50%. This is over and above your normal income tax. So be careful, file your returns. If you have omitted and if you have got substantial income and you want to avoid the hassle of penalty and department prosecution, initiation of scrutiny and all those things, then you can use this feature. If you are late by 1 year, then the additional income tax will be 25%. If you are delayed by more than 1 year in updating your return, then the additional tax will be 50%. The second thing is disallowance of deduction, which is not allowed in any other act. Now this has got a very good example. The FM and the CBDT has clarified. Pharma companies offer freebies like vacation hai, holidays hai, gifts hai, foreign travel hai to all the doctors to recommend their medicines to various kind of patients who are approaching them for treatment. We have seen this during the corona time. Now this is nothing new. It was mentioned in 2012 as a discretionary element. Now it has been made compulsory that deduction which is not permissible elsewhere will not be allowed in the income tax, even under section 37, of which is the residual deductible expenses section in the Income Tax Act. Now in this, the pharma companies used to offer freebies to the doctors and they used to accept it, which is prohibited as per the doctors' misconduct rules as per their own act. Like we as a CA have got a ICAI act over us. So as it is disallowed over there, it is not allowed as it's against the ethics of practice. It will not be allowed as a deduction in income tax. This is now a compulsory section disallowing all the expenses. तो freebies लो, medicine recommend करो, महंगा medicine है, सस्ता medicine है, वो कोई देख नहीं रहा है. So this is a very good amendment. This will discourage pharma companies from propagating their medicine in an incorrect manner. Now the third thing is education cess will not be allowed as a deduction anymore, laying to rest all the court matters ongoing at this moment for deduction of education cess. Some courts allow kiye hai, kuch courts allow nahi kiye hai. Now it will not be allowed as a deduction. So the income tax has closed the net very tightly amongst all the taxpayers who need to be careful while reporting such a kind of income or updating their ITR. So this was the last in the series of minor changes which have got major impact. This is as per the Union Budget of 2022. Have a nice day. Have a nice week.